Okay, 9:29 a.m. I'm gonna cut straight to the I'm gonna cut straight to the chase. Morning panic bounce plays. I haven't changed the watch list. I'm gonna be looking for morning panic bounce plays and maybe anything that spikes really nice initially. I might try one of those. Okay, it's 9:38. Unfortunately, I don't see anything that I want to trade. PHIL, I thought about it, but it was a bit scary just because it was a lot of dumping. But this one held through eventually. It had a gap down. Didn't have like a traditional morning panic. It just had a gap down, and it did an uptrend. In theory, I could have taken the trade here, but this was a bit speculative. It was just a gap down, but it worked out. AMC, nothing. I want to trade MJWL, nothing. Nothing here. DPLS, nothing. WSRC, nothing. Just nothing right now. Really, it's just PHIL films, nothing else. So I'll keep looking, but it seems initially with the market opening right now, it seems very dry. Okay, it is 9:51. I don't see anything interesting. PHIL might be doing some topping action now. Will I consider this like a dip towards VWAP? I don't know if I'll consider this as a dip towards VWAP. It's just not really ideal. LTNC, I was watching these two. They did do a morning panic bounce play. They're kind of degenerate patterns. It's like not really perfect. I saw this when it was at 93. And then I really want to consider buying right below the VWAP, or some of these they don't even get past VWAP, they reject it. Not really, but hey, this one did it. It might try to get back to it might try to get back to a penny. You know, it might try to stop being a sub penny stock. KYNC, similar. I think I saw it, but this one was a bit later. I'm not sure if I even, yeah, I had it at 54. This would have been a bit of a chase maybe. I wasn't at 53, which doesn't sound like much, but to me it does. It's at 57. LTNC is doing better. I think it has better volume or something. Yeah, it has more volume, and the price is, well, I guess the volume is about the same considering the price, but I don't see anything that I like. MJWL, if it has a clean drop from here, I might consider it. Nothing with AMC really. WSRC, nope. LWLG keeps uptrending. That's nice. DPLS, nothing. GMER, liquid. So that's where I'm at. I'll just keep looking, but doesn't seem like there'll be setups today, at least right now. Alright, it is 1:11 p.m. It really makes me just be thankful for yesterday and the opportunities yesterday, because there is nothing I really wanted today. There was a nice uptrend here. I haven't been looking at the markets recently here with LWLG, and this is starting to look like a bit more exponential. When we have the big volume candle, big green candle, maybe some kind of setup will come here at one point for a morning panic bounce play, but it's not today, or at least not right now. PHIL is just consolidating. Maybe it can uptrend later because it is just consolidating, holding above VWAP. I wouldn't do it. I don't know. You know, you could try to risk off this range here at 106 and go for some kind of a breakout, but I don't think I'll be interested in that. It might work out. AMC looks a bit like an inverse head and shoulders, but I wasn't really here for this. DPLS, just downtrending. This might have a sharp drop, who knows. MJWL, nothing I want here. GMER, nothing either. WSRC is trying to make back its gains. This is actually impressive. Maybe I would have considered here the dip towards VWAP, but a bit iffy because of how, you know, it would have looked like before it got to 22. Would have been like down here. Would have looked kind of sketchy, but it worked out. And VRZV, I thought about it, but no, I didn't consider trading this because it had like this 1 wick, you know, pump and dump before. I was screwed before with this one too, right here in this candle wicky day, just wrecked me. So, you know, I learned my lesson, didn't trade it here. It did offer, I think, a dip towards VWAP here, but volume started fading. I don't mind it. No setups. I'll look later, but it might be a no trading day. Okay, it's 5:56 and I'm here to call it off. I haven't seen the very end of the markets, but there were some nice. Not really. At the end of the day, there was a nice setup with WSRC, and that would have been the breakout here. I was not here for this. I did not see it when this happened. I was here when this one happened, but you know, I wanted it to be like that PHIL panic that happened the other day. This one just initially started to immediately struggle, so I never got a part of it. Really, I guess the breakout was right here, and it all makes sense now in hindsight, but you know, it's pretty sketchy. But hey, this is impressive. This is some weird price action. It just, you know, broke this level here at 25, right? And that's what I saw back here, but again, just didn't have that much momentum. It did make a nice move later. Totally missed it when it did the breakout here. Just was not there for it. That was a setup, so I can't be too upset. There was at least one setup I could have taken in theory, and PHIL, it's nothing really, nothing. I did miss I did miss the morning spike. Something about it threw me off. I forgot, but I think in the morning I was going after that. Besides that, I don't see anything I would have really liked trading. This might have been the one that was holding VWAP. Yeah, looks like it did work here. Okay, so there were some setups, nothing that I truly like morning panic bounce plays, but this was one, I guess. Just a bit sketchy on where it is on the daily chart, but it worked out. AMC, it was that inverse head and shoulders, and that was about it, I guess, in theory, from this 56 to 50. Still like just 57, not even that good range, really. DPLS, looks like nothing I want here. Very sketchy daily chart. MJWL is uptrending, just choppy, liquid. Totally fine. I did see this uptrend here, but this is just low volume, not really that clean. LWLG keeps uptrending. Oh, it looks like we did have a panic here. But, you know, a buy at 894 if you're really good, right? And then it goes to 947. Not that much range, but okay. WSRC, of course, those breakouts there. And BR, ZV, I'll probably take this one off. That's all I got. No trades, nothing made, nothing lost. But still, you know, it's another day, experience nonetheless, and I'll just keep going at it.